So let's start. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a cloth simulation in Blender, and you can do it in any object, a cube, a sphere, a monkey head, or if you want a pre-made object like a vase that you have made, you can just apply the properties on it. So let's start. First, I'm going to move this cube up, and then I'm going to add a plane, scale it up, and move the cube here. So now this is the object that the cloth will collide with. We gotta add the cloth now. So I'm gonna add a plane that will work as the cloth, and I'm gonna move it above the cube. This much should be fine, so it will fall and then collide with it. So now this is the length of the cube. So to see it properly, I'm gonna scale it up. This much should be fine. Yeah. So right now if you play, nothing happens because we haven't added the properties yet. So let's go and click on the cube, select the plane, and in edit mode subdivide it, and then over here click this, and in number of cuts type 10. I'm gonna add 11. Then select the cube, and in the modifier panel add modifier collision, and then select the cloth. I'm gonna rename it cloth, and then add a cloth modifier, and to see its settings just click on this button right here, and it will show you the settings of it. So here are the different, like the quality. So I'm gonna increase the quality to 8, and let's see how this behaves. So right now it's behaving like this. It's fine, but it's not looking like, it's looking too blocky. So to correct it, just select the cloth and shade smooth it. Now let's see. I'm gonna increase the quality to 10. Okay, so now our cloth simulation is ready. You can do it on any object. If you want it far, it will work like cloth works. So now there are some properties that affect it. So here are the properties you can play with, and if you want to know what property does what, just hover your mouse over here, and it shows that for example, how tension is how much the material resists stretching. So I'm gonna decrease it to 10. Now let's see it. So for example, if you do it to 0, you can see what happened. And if you increase it a lot, then it will be like this. So really subtle changes, but there are changes. And the next thing, in dampening, I like the compression. So the compression means that how close that cloth compresses on that cube. So you can see amount of dampening in the compression behavior. So if you increase it to 15, let's see, it compresses more. That's it. That's the settings. These 4 are the main settings that you can play with, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and for more, follow my channel. I'll drop new videos soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.